Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Woodmere Estate Revival. Today I'm here with my parents, Connie and Jean, and we are about to tackle some more drywall. I think when we are done, we will have touched every single room in the downstairs. So today you can see behind me, we're going to take down the 3 feet or so of drywall on the bottom of this living room. It's had a lot of water damage and we hate to lose the detailing, but we need to get all that mold out. So we're going to do that. My parents are back in the family room right now. You can hear them pounding, and they're working on, I think, the remaining wall in there, and we're also going to take down the ceiling. So it should be a good day, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks.
So I just wanted to give you a little update and show you how moldy it is here in the family room. I mean the living room. So here you can see how this is just literally crumbling. Oh, see all that mold? So, as sad as it is to lose all the detail, we have to take out this drywall, and then we will put back the detail that we've taken out. So, stay tuned.
Go girl.
So we just got back from lunch, and I wanted to give you an update on what we've been doing. So I'm upstairs, and my mom and dad are in this bedroom, and they're getting ready to take out this closet. And we're taking out this wall too. And eventually we're going to get to the ceiling. Before lunch, really in just about 3 hours, we got a lot done. So I'm going to give you a quick tour in the formal living room. We got down 3 feet of the drywall. I'm really glad we did, because there was definitely a lot of mold towards the bottom. So hate to see that go, but we definitely needed to do that. And in here, we last night had finished all the drywall here in the kitchen. This morning we started here and we got that whole wall down. And then before lunch, I started doing the ceiling. So we've got a little bit more left of the ceiling. I'm hoping by the end of the day that we'll have all of that done and most of the bedroom upstairs finished. So I'll keep you posted. Thanks. Hey everyone, I just got the entire ceiling out. You can kind of see here from the kitchen all the way to the fireplace. I think I single-handedly did that by myself. My parents are upstairs, and I'm quite exhausted. It was a very hard workout on the arms. Definitely don't need to go to the gym today. I think I have a whole new appreciation for construction workers. They work extremely hard. This stuff is not easy. And now all I have left to do is clean up the floor. You can tell I've got quite a mess as the dust settles. You can also see a lot of these lights that were put in are hanging. I don't know if that's to code or not, but they're all going to be replaced. I don't think I've ever seen a kitchen that had so many lights in it. I think there were about 16 just in this, 12 by 14 area. So anyways, I guess I'm going to get sweeping. Hey everyone, it's a new day, and my parents and I have finished getting all the drywall out of the family room, kitchen, and one of the bedrooms upstairs. They have gone home, so I'm by myself today, and so thankful for their help. But I'm going to spend the day here in the family room just basically pulling nails. So I'll give you a quick look at the ceiling. You can see all of the nails, hundreds of nails. I'll have to get the wall over there and this wall, and all of this needs all the nails taken out. So hopefully I can knock that out in 2 or 3 hours, and we're in a mad dash right now to get everything finished. Our son Grant yesterday evening asked, Chris, he said, Daddy, on the scale of 1 to 10, how close are we to being finished with demo? And Chris said 8. So we're almost there. We've just got a few more projects to finish. We have contractors coming in next week to put together bids for the different aspects of the project. So we're excited, but we've got to get all this stuff finished. So we're going to be working like crazy over the next few days. So thank you for tuning in.